How to block Bereal spam follower. To block spam follower on Bereal, you need to navigate to the specific user profile and use the built-in moderation tool. So open up Bereal app onto your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet, and you also want to make sure that you have updated the app to the latest version. Basically, what here you need to do is just open the user's profile that you wish to block. If you cannot find it in the very home page or in your my friend list, you could go ahead and tap the search at the friends tab and type in their name. Once you type in their name, you could find their profile, select the three dot, and then go to block. Then you could go ahead and confirm the block. Do the same thing for the rest of the other spam user that you consider, and this way you'll be able to block them. If the account isn't clearly or is clearly a bot or engaging in inappropriate behavior, you should also report them to help Bereal moderation team. So what you need is just go ahead and open up profile, tap the gear icon at the very top. You need to go ahead and select help, then go to contact us, go to report a problem, and then you want to go to safety. You can then go ahead and go to policies as well, or you could go to community standard, and this way you can go ahead and contact them, let them know about it, and that's how you'll be able to block Bereal spam followers. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.